This is the controls lab. It's definitely where Tony Stark would have hung out if he went to BYU instead of MIT. Control systems is the robotics branch of electrical and computer engineering. It's where we push the future to its very limits. Like the name implies, control systems is controlling computerized objects. Using math, we learn to train drones and robots to autonomously move and correct themselves based off the programs that we write. One of my favorite labs is automating a drone to fly by itself. We go from full simulation on the computer to actually practicing with real drones called hummingbirds. Now, these hummingbirds are attached to supports, so we can practice over and over and over again without actually destroying the drone. And let's be honest, if we didn't have those supports, we'd only have a day. Hey, we're not experts yet. Imagining a concept, putting it on paper, and uploading it to a robot is one of the coolest feelings on this planet. And there are a few, well, a lot of bugs along the way, but it's all part of the process. And once you get everything up and running, there is no better feeling on earth. And there's nothing like the sweet, sweet sensation of knowing you're one step closer towards
world domination with your custom designed robot army.
I'm kidding. There are no aspiring supervillains here, right? Guys? Regardless, this is where the present meets the future, right here in the controls lab. And we create groundbreaking technology, like miniature self-driving cars, a robot arm that can catch a baseball, and even an automatic foosball winning machine. But we all start here with creating a drone that can fly all by itself.